In a world where the intricacies of immigration law can often seem impenetrable to those it affects most, providing legal education to immigrant communities stands out as a beacon of hope and empowerment. Legal professionals, armed with expertise and a commitment to justice, are in a unique position to demystify the legal process and advocate for these communities. Immigrant communities frequently face legal challenges that can impact every aspect of their lives, from employment and education to personal safety and family unity. However, the complexity of immigration law, coupled with language barriers and fear of the system, can hinder their ability to navigate these challenges effectively. Legal education emerges as a critical tool in bridging this gap, offering clarity, confidence, and a pathway to justice. The first step in empowering immigrant communities is breaking down the barriers that prevent them from accessing legal information. This involves not just overcoming language obstacles, but also dispelling myths and fears surrounding the legal system. Effective legal education for immigrant communities must be tailored to their specific needs and legal challenges. It also involves providing guidance on how to deal with legal issues outside of immigration law that disproportionately affect immigrants, such as labor rights violations and housing discrimination. Building trust within immigrant communities is essential for any legal education initiative to be successful. Collaboration with community leaders, local organizations, and advocacy groups can help legal professionals reach a wider audience and gain the community's trust. The impact of empowering immigrant communities through legal education extends far beyond individual cases. Armed with knowledge and resources, immigrants can better protect themselves against exploitation, navigate the legal system more effectively, and make informed decisions about their futures. For the legal professionals involved, this work is not only a fulfillment of their duty to serve and advocate, but also an opportunity to foster a more informed, just, and equitable society. For legal education programs to have a lasting impact, they must be sustainable and adaptable to changing laws and circumstances. This requires ongoing commitment from legal professionals, continuous funding and resource allocation, and the flexibility to update and modify educational content as legal landscapes evolve. The journey toward empowering immigrant communities through legal education is complex and challenging, but deeply rewarding. It requires dedication, empathy, and a willingness to engage directly with the communities served. Through continued efforts to educate, empower, and advocate, legal professionals can help immigrant communities navigate the complexities of the legal system, protect their rights, and pursue their dreams with confidence. In doing so, they not only change individual lives, but also contribute to the creation of a more just and inclusive society.